Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. Today I am going to take you through air traveling conversation. Yes friends, it is very interesting topic. Sometimes you plan to go by air, you will be calling to travel agent, air traveling agent. But just in case you are around English speakers, how would you talk to them? And what types of questions takes place at the airport? We will learn all that things today. And it is very interesting topic. I hope you enjoy this video. First, I want to get confirmation of my tickets. How would I talk to them? I will tell them, I will ask them, I would like to confirm my flight. I would like to confirm my flight. The other person will ask you, your ticket number please. Can I have your ticket number please? May I know your ticket number please? And then they can ask you your first name, your last name. How many people are traveling with you and their tickets number. They can ask you these types of questions. You have to reply according to your ticket. My ticket number is 45683. So can you give me information about my confirmed flight? They can tell you, they can reply you are scheduled to depart on suppose 15th of June at 1 o'clock. I repeat it. You are scheduled to depart on 15th of June at 1 o'clock. Is it correct? You can tell them, yes, it is correct. If it is not correct, you can tell them, I am sorry, it's not correct. Then later they will tell you, your tickets have been confirmed. Your tickets have been confirmed. Arrive at the airport 3 hours before your flight depart. This is suggestion. Arrive at the airport 3 hours before your flight depart. So it is the conversation about confirmation of your flight. Later, if you want to know about, if you want to change your departure time, departure date, so how would you ask them? What types of questions you will use in your conversation? Let's see. I am scheduled to depart on 15th of June. Can I change this to a later date? I repeat it. I am scheduled to depart on 15th of June. Can I change this to a later date? So you can change, you can ask them, can I change my departure time, date? I have a ticket and my scheduled to depart on 15th of June. Can I change this to a later date? If seats are available, they can tell you, they will reply you, yes sir. If not available, they will tell you, I am sorry, you can't do it because seats are not available. If seats are available, they may ask you, would you like me to reserve the seats? Would you like to have window seats or aisle seat? These types of questions they may ask you. What date you would like to depart? They can ask you what date you would like to depart. Can you check if 22nd of June is possible? Can you check it? Can you tell me? Can you check it and tell me if 22nd of June is possible? or after selection your date, you can tell your date. At this date I would like to depart. So like this you can talk to them and you can ask them, and you can have the information about change the flight, change the departure date. The next question they will ask you. Airlines have a list of many questions and you have to reply them in yes or no. Let's learn about the questions, what questions they ask us. Did someone you don't know ask you to take something on the plane? Means any person who you don't know, did he or she ask you to take something on the plane? They will ask you and you will have to reply generally no. Generally for this question you have to reply no. The next question they will ask you, did you have possession of your luggage since you packed? You are the owner of your luggage and you have the possession of your luggage since you packed it. So you have to tell them yes. The next question is, did you leave your luggage unattended at all in the airport? For sometimes, did you unattended your luggage? No. You have to tell them no. The next question is, do you have, or they can ask, are you carrying any flammable, perishable item, perishable food or any weapons? You have to tell them no. So here these questions they may ask you. Generally they ask you these types of questions. So friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson today. It was the interesting topic. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then, bye-bye.